Ever since I was a kid, I've always wanted to work for government. Not necessarily to run or be a politician, pero maging government worker. So, nung nag-high school ako, I would take electives on economics. In college nga, nag-political science ako. Eventually, I took up my master's degree. I worked in civil society. So everything that I've done in my life has always been geared towards government work. Na napunta ako sa politika, siguro, hindi ko alam kung tadhana ba, but hindi naman yun planado talaga on my part. Kuya ko, he's 11 years older than me. He would come home from college, tapos kakwento niya sa akin yung lesson niya sa school. So from a very early age, naging interested ako. Hindi ko alam, baka na-brainwash ako na gusto kong gobyerno. Pero hanggang tumanda ako, ito na lagi yung inaaral ko, binabasa ko. To be honest, I really don't know what to expect. But I knew people were ready for change. I wouldn't say that I was surprised, but neither would I say that I expected it. Siyempre sa politika, it's very hard to predict. So hindi ako overconfident or anything, but just taking, at that time, we were just taking it one step at a time. Basta lalaban kami, hanggat kaya, bahala na kung ano mangyari. Tingin ko yung unang-una dyan ay ako mismo bilang mayor, bilang pinuno ng aming pamahalaan panglungsod, masasabi ko, wala akong tinatanggap na hindi ko dapat makuha. Ang tatanggap ko ng pera, yung sa sweldo ko. Yun lang. Yun pa lang, it will really have a trickle-down effect. Ako mismo, hindi ako gumagawa ng illegal or hindi ako tumatanggap ng lagay, ng kickback. Ngayon, pwede akong manita. It has to start from the top. We've introduced a lot of institutional changes, even with our Bids and Awards Committee. We have external observers, and totoo na yung bidding. Pag may nakikita kami mga complaints through the ugnayan sa Pasig unit, ito yung FOI and Complaint Center namin, in-actionan talaga namin. We don't turn a blind eye when we see something or when we hear a complaint. Ina-address namin, iniimbestigahan namin. So may mga natanggal na. Yung iba nag-resign na lang pero hindi yun ni-renew because of evidence of corruption. If you look at studies abroad, one of the biggest reasons why people fall down to poverty is really because of the lack of accessible healthcare services. So we've really prioritized healthcare. We've prepared the 2020 budget. 21% of our funds will go to improving healthcare in Pasig City. Right now, the immediate steps we've taken is to make sure that there are medicines in the health centers, rationalization of healthcare staff. We're adding around 300 positions for healthcare professionals sa city namin, putting in the resources, asking help from external experts, partnering with medical institutions like Medical City. We've made a lot of immediate changes, but ang target namin talaga ay 2020, halos universal healthcare na talaga. To make sure that healthcare is accessible, no one falls to poverty because of the lack of healthcare services. We've identified several problems here, and the number one problem would be the relatively low literacy rate. And we found that only 35% of our grade 6 students can read independently. There's the rest, either hindi makapagbasa or frustrated readers. Ibig sabihin siguro, nade-decipher nila per letter, pero kung walang tutulong sa kanila, hindi nila maintindihan yung binabasa nila. This is a pretty alarming rate. We've identified several problems and designed our interventions na ang gusto natin, palayo tayo dun sa system of patronage. Kasi dati, lahat ng request ng schools, lahat ng request ng principals, dadaan muna sa mayor's office, i-approve isa-isa ng mayor, ang tagal na proseso. Kumbaga, pondo natin to, gamitin natin ng buong buo. Hindi kailangan yung malakas ka sa mayor. First things that we started to do is start to update our comprehensive development plan to spur the economy here in Pasig even further, especially in depressed areas. We're looking to revise a lot of our ordinances. Yung revenue code natin, yung market code, marami tayong mga fees and charges na bababaan to make Pasig more business-friendly. And marami talagang gusto mag-invest sa Pasig, pero marami pong lumalayo dahil either masyadong mahal or masyadong maraming humihingi ng lagay, na tumataas yung business costs, hindi friendly, started to address these problems. Pasig will naturally become very competitive when it comes to becoming business friendly and enticing businesses to either come back or to start here in Pasig. Sa lahat po ng Pasigenyo na maaaring nanonood o nakikinig ngayon, una, maraming salamat po sa patuloy ninyong pagsuporta sa pagbabago at sa bagong administrasyon natin dito sa Pasig. Marami pa tayong kailangan gawin, pero sa pakikipagtulungan ng lahat ay marami pa po tayong magagawa. Tuloy-tuloy po ang pagbabago para po sa ikauunlad ng Lungsod Pasig.